So now I'm done. Yeah, it takes me long time to make this because it is a first time for me to make golf player. So it was little bit hard, but finally I'm done now. I'm so happy about it. And yeah, it came the way I want now. It's very nice. Like this is the way I would like to make. That's why I just cancel 3 times and I just again painting. But finally it turned out good. This makes me so much happy. Yeah, this is good now. This is good enough. This is good enough for one of my friends, which is painting. So I love to make for her very better one, like, I love to do like the best of my ability. That's what I'm trying. And yeah, it turned out good. I'm happy about that. So I'll paint again and again golf more to be a perfect golf painter. So this is my first painting for golf, which is nice, like, for first time. It's not bad. I hope she gonna